but sort of decentralized finance DeFi transforming into extremely popular estimation and science-upheld computerized types of cash generally give off an impression of being regulating the blockchain establishment world in a very enormous manner, while government-provided kinds of cash are losing their sheen in the recessionary time of world economies. Computerized monetary forms for the most part are getting a move on, or so they in a real sense thought at the present time. Controlling the atom computerized cash exchanges, Cosmos network especially, is flooding ahead with Tendermint core and its striking Byzantine fault tolerance, having declared its endeavor exceptionally worth 15 million, which is very critical. Universe advanced cash can in every practical sense be traded through crypto exchanges, which generally is very huge. The Cosmos network basically helps the improvement of Atom token, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking universe, computerized cash, although substantially more predominantly known by its really nearby representative Atom, fundamentally has, as of for the most part late, been somewhat unique in the crypto market, performing wonders, which is genuinely critical. Before we explicitly start with veritable Cosmos cost gauge, we ought to truly generally investigate point-by-point diagram of the coin beautiful, as opposed to prevalent thinking universe Atom. The mystery decoded universe is depicted as blockchain 30. The climate basically features splendid understanding convenience, as well as offers a truly protected and outstandingly secure game plan of trade and trading, with next to no intermediaries in a real sense. Included universe, especially organic framework, furthermore contains Cosmos Hub. The association's hyperblocks really help her runs validators that in a real sense help with getting the Cosmos blockchain, which sort of is very critical. Universe network uses a non-concurrent Byzantine fault-tolerant apt understanding model to support trades in a quite enormous manner. In fact, universe generally is an especially token on the Cosmos Hub, kind of, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Molecule tokens certainly are used for security purposes in an extremely significant manner. Blockchain computation being the center period of this cryptographic cache, the entire idiosyncrasy and major point of convergence of Cosmos Atom basically is programmability, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. This most certainly allows the clients to benefit from a kind of mechanized cash perspective, as well as including Cosmos for all, especially business-focused trades like money-related organizations, applications, games, to really give a few models, which can explicitly be founded on the stage, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. It gives them exceptionally overall expansion, a kind of wide association of clients, and dApps decentralized applications, and really steady for the most part new developments and upgrades in an unobtrusive manner. Universe Atom historical data and technical analysis, unpredictability in a real sense, is the indication of any computerized monetary standards, as sort of is legitimate for Cosmos. Likewise, or so they thought. In December 2019, Cosmos started its ceaseless yet steady show, which truly is genuinely critical, regardless of the way that it essentially saw a fall and bull generally run in March 2020 to a low of 16. It really had certainly followed the recovery way, which fundamentally is very huge. The pandemic seems to have cleared a path for Cosmos, with its surprising display in an unpretentious manner. Universe has beaten a record gain, as per crypto figures, by achieving the expense of Cosmos to 65, completing areas of strength for truly trading in an especially significant manner. The assistance level truly is 29,936, and deterrent level in a real sense is 33,325. Beginning from the very outset of this essentially current year, the coin really has reflected colossal energy in a truly significant manner. Close to the completion of January 2021, the Atom coin signified a sharp spike to 25, yet from there on out it by and large plunged to 17 in a kind of enormous manner. Then from last month, Cosmos again indicated a huge show and basically enrolled one more incredible extremely high of 3214. Which is very critical. Regardless, lately it stood up to a sharp rod in a genuinely significant manner. Universe cost a day sits around idly 3026, with a market capitalization of 865,677,027,381 and a surrounding supply of 286,370,297 Atom. In a really significant manner, the 24 hours trading volume of Cosmos Atom essentially is 60,788,331,919 or so. They for the most part thought the continuous expense of Cosmos basically is 3106 universe price prediction 2022, according to Atom conjecture with various associations and facilitated endeavors and certainly neighborhood. The computerized money market looks back at Atom to really perform, showing up at a worth degree of 63, which basically is exceptionally kind of confident yet generally kind of probable feasible toward 2022 in the transient's end, and an especially large way universe price prediction 2023 with any movements in government really as opposed to mainstream thinking techniques and rules. The Atom cost could especially have its piece of faint days in case Atom cost by and large holds the assistance at the 100 SMA. Steadfastly buyers will then at that point generally have commonly above and beyond a valuable open door to sell Cosmos for getting advantage and trustworthiness incredibly in a real sense in the head. Around half of the expense may especially be 60, which is very huge close to the completion of 2023. The expected certainly high of Atom may basically be around 75, which especially is very critical. Universe price prediction 2024 dashing up to top won't be thusly so genuinely hard for Cosmos cost, as certainly additional short, medium and long stretch worth targets can in a real sense be generally found to exchange Atom in every way that really matters in spite of prevalent thinking. Starting with no less than 63 in the long, it could cross 90 or so. They thought universe price prediction 2025 particlist anyway plunged at this point considering assumptions and resistance level. One of the most bullish on-chain estimations for Atom basically is the basic extension in the amount of Atom coins put away into the understanding, which in every practical sense is very critical in the especially essential around half of the expense, maybe 81. Amazingly, universe Atom cost fundamentally is set to generally give certainly encouraging signs, showing up at a zenith of 105 close to the completion of 2025. Universe price prediction 2026 updates will push the flexibility of the Cosmos Association to 100,000 trades each in every way that really matters. Second, moving the blockchain business from energy Syria system, which is very huge according to Cosmos cost assumptions. In the essential part of the year 2026 the expense could reach to 90 in an unpretentious manner. The blockchain network fundamentally is truly popular with different endeavors in view of it, given the movements really are state aware of. We can see the expense of Atom to reach 120, making it an unrivaled by and large high in the accompanying 5 years. How does Cosmos Atom cost gain significance? Keeping watch, which is genuinely critical. Just the trust of monetary supporters essentially has made a kind of vertical flood in the Cosmos Atom cost in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking, showing its authenticity against rivals, as in by and large previously mentioned assumptions. Cosmos generally has gotten through the essentially preliminary of times and merits monetary backers merited money to buy and for trading, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Might Cosmos Atom anytime basically make you richer? So they thought definitely in an unobtrusive manner molecule could turn out to be a completely significant